Hello, little friends. It's me, your happy hobby storytime bunny. Unlock your child's reading potential with this guide. It highlights the importance of early literacy for cognitive development, academic success, and future career opportunities. So grab your favorite snuggle buddy and get comfy, because we're going to dive into some enchanting tales that will spark your imagination and boost those reading skills. Let's hop to it. Learn how to create a supportive learning environment, track progress, and celebrate milestones, ensuring a rewarding reading journey for your child.
How to make your child learn to read. Tips and tricks. Are you ready to give your child the gift of reading?
We're diving into simple, effective tips to help your child become a confident reader.
Whether you're just starting with letter sounds or tackling trickier words, this video is for you. Why is reading so important?
Well, it's not just about school. Reading sparks imagination, fuels curiosity, and builds knowledge. When kids learn to read, they unlock new worlds.
Plus, strong reading skills set them up for success in school and future careers. Before you start, gather your tools. You'll need phonics materials like flashcards, decodable books, and maybe even a fun reading program. Create a cozy learning space, think comfy seating and alphabet charts. And most importantly, set aside a regular reading time, even if it's just 15 minutes a day. Phonics, decodable books, reading program, learning environment. Let's get to the how-to. Letter sounds. Start by teaching letter sounds, not just names. For example, M makes the /M/ sound. Blend sounds. Once they know sounds, blend them into simple words like cat or dog. Sight words. Introduce common words like the and that don't always follow phonics rules. Flashcards and games make this fun.
Reading practice. Practice with engaging books that match their skill level.
Comprehension. Ask questions about the story to make sure they understand what they're reading.
Reading shouldn't be a chore.
Use personalized books, educational apps, and games.
Word searches, rhyming games, and even acting out scenes from books can make learning an adventure.
Celebrate every milestone, big or small.
A sticker chart or a simple great job can go a long way.
If your child struggles, be patient and seek extra support from teachers or reading specialists.
So, there you have it.
With these simple tips, you can help your child unlock the joy of reading.
Share your reading journey in the comments below. Happy reading!
Well, my little friends, wasn't that a hop-tastic adventure? I hope these tips help you on your child's reading journey. Remember, patience and encouragement are key. Happy reading, little bunnies! Bye-bye!